Hello my dear friends, welcome to BVM Academy. Today, let's start how to prepare receipts and payment account. Before we get started, please subscribe, like, share, comment, click bell icon so you get latest updates of my channel. As in my previous video, I have explained what is receipts and payment account. It is the account which records all cash and bank transactions of not-for-profit organization under various head and prepared at the end of the accounting year. Now, let's see the question of receipts and payment account of Lions Club as on 31st March 2018. From the following informations of Lions Club for the year ending 31st March 2018, prepare the receipts and payment account as on 31st March 2018. Particulars rupees. Cash in hand as on 1/4/17 is rupees 40,000. Cash at bank as on 1/4/17 is rupees 70,000. Both cash in hand as well as cash at bank, it's a opening balance because it's a opening. It's a 1/4/17, right? So it is a opening and it belongs to a debit side, which are receipts. Subscription, it's a revenue receipts is rupees 5,30,000. Donation is a capital receipts is rupees 1,20,000. Entrance fees, it's a revenue receipts is rupees 46,000. Life membership fees, it's a capital receipts is rupees 40,000. Printing and stationery, it's a expenditure, revenue expenditure is rupees 77,500. Lighting, it's a expenditure is rupees 52,500. Rates and taxes, it's a expenditure is rupees 34,000. Telephone charges is rupees 5,200. It's a expenditure. Postages and courier is rupees 4,000. It's a expenditure. Wages and salary is rupees 1,76,000. It's a expenditure. Insurance premium, it's a expenditure is rupees 30,000. Interest on government securities, it's a revenue receipts is rupees 36,000. Locker rent, it's a revenue receipts is rupees 84,000. Purchase of government securities is rupees 4 lakhs. It's a expenditure. Cash in hand as on 31st March 2018 is rupees 46,800. Cash at bank as on 31st March 2018 is rupees 1,40,000. Both cash in hand as well as cash at bank, it's a closing because it's 31st March 2018, right? It's a closing balance and it belongs to a credit side, which are payments. Hey friends, now we saw the question of receipts and payment account of Lions Club as on 31st March 2018. Now let's see how to post the items of receipts and payment account in a respective places. Prepare receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2018. First, let's see in the debit side, which are receipts. Receipts to cash in hand as on 1/4/17 to cash at bank as on 1/4/17. It's an opening balance. What is financial year? It starts from 1/4 and ends in 31st March. So it's a 1/4/17, right? So it's a opening balance. Make sure that every time 1/4/17 in the sense it's an opening balance, and opening balance belongs to a debit side, which are receipts. Cash in hand is rupees 40,000. Cash at bank is rupees 70,000. If you had both the amount, you will get 1,10,000. Next, to subscription is the amount received by not-for-profit organization unperiodically from the members. It's a revenue receipts. It's a recurring in the nature. Is rupees 5,30,000. To donation is rupees 1,20,000. It's a capital receipts and it's a cash inflows to the organization. So it is a receipts. To entrance fees is rupees 46,000. For example, If you want to go to the exhibition, in order to get entrance, you have to pay the some fixed by the organization or some their committee. Is rupees 46,000. To life membership fees is the amount received by not-for-profit organization in order to get lifetime membership in an organization. Is rupees 40,000. To interest on government securities is rupees 36,000. It's a recurring in nature, interest. Monthly, the interest will be cash inflows. To locker rent is rupees 84,000. It's a receipts. Next, let's move on to the payments, which are credits. By printing and stationery is rupees 77,500. Firstly, make sure that receipts in the sense cash inflows to the organization. Payments in the sense cash outflows to the organization. Printing and stationery, it's a cash outflow, right? It's a expenditure, type of expenditure, and it's a payment. The cash outflows. So it's a payment and it belongs to a credit side is rupees 77,500. Next, by lighting. For example, if you want to install the lighting, you have to pay the amount to the electricians, right? So it's a cash outflows. So it belongs to a credit side of payments. It's rupees 52,500. By rates and taxes is rupees 35,000. What is rates and taxes? In an organization, for maintaining the organization, you have to pay the rates and taxes to the government, right? It's a rates and taxes. It belongs to a credit side is rupees 34,000. By telephone charges is rupees 5,200. It's a type of expenditure. It belongs to a credit side. By postage and courier is rupees 4,000. For example, you have ordered tablets from the doctor. While you're getting the courier, you have to pay the amount to a postman, right? It's a cash outflow. Postage and courier is rupees 4,000. By wages and salary. In an organization, the workers will be working in order to survive their daily needs, right? So for them, we have to give the salary monthly is rupees 1,76,000. By insurance premium. For example, you have applied for the life insurance. Monthly you have to pay the premium, right? It's nothing but insurance premium. It belongs to a credit side. Payments is rupees 30,000. By purchase of government securities. You have purchased the government securities, so you have to pay the amount fixed by the community or etc. is rupees 4 lakhs. By cash in hand as on 31st March 2018 is rupees 46,800. By cash at bank as on 31st March 2018. It's a closing amount because financial year ends in 31st March, right? So it's a closing balance. Every time make sure that closing balance should appear in credit side of receipts and payments account. If you had both the amount of cash in hand as well as cash at bank, you get 1,86,800. If you calculate the payment total amounts, you get 9,66,000. Same, if you total receipts all the amounts, you will get 9,66,000. Here, the receipts and payment account, the amount has been balanced. Okay, dear friends, I hope this video will make you understand well. See you in my next video. If any doubts, comment me in comment section. Thank you.